If you're searching for a Funding Pips coupon code or a Funding Pips discount code to lower the cost of a funded trading challenge, this quick video will help. To get started, simply click the link in the description. It opens Funding Pips' official sign-up page, and the discount applies automatically. As part of this Funding Pips review, here's what you need to know. Funding Pips is considered one of the best prop firms for traders who want access to a funded account, especially in funded account Forex trading. For your Funding Pips account purchase, create an account, then select a new challenge. Choose your account size, trading platform, and preferences. Because you used the link, the Funding Pips coupon code is automatically applied. There's no need to enter anything manually. On the checkout page, you'll see the discounted challenge price right away. If you're looking for the best funded trading account with lower entry cost, Funding Pips is definitely worth checking out.